friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest phone from Tecno in India, the Tecno Camon i-Twin. So we have seen a lot of new smartphones announcing by Tecno in India in the sub 15k price segment, and the Tecno Camon i-Twin is the latest offering. This comes with a dual camera setup, so that's the reason for the name i-Twin. So it has a dual camera setup on the rear panel, and in this video let's see what all features it offers. So this is the box packing of the Tecno Camon i-Twin, and you can see this is the smartphone we have going to unbox, and you can see the other options from Tecno: 100 days replacement promise, one-time screen replacement, and 1 month extended warranty is there. So these are the three options provided by Tecno for this device, and this is the promise. And you can see the box packing. So this is the specifications. We have the 6-inch full view display. It's an HD plus resolution display, dual camera, bokeh cameras with quad flash, 13 megapixel front camera, 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, 4G VoLTE, 4000 mAh capacity battery, fingerprint sensor, and Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. So that's the specification. So we have the Snapdragon 425 quad-core chipset. So this is the first time Tecno is using the Snapdragon or the Qualcomm's chipset. Previously we have seen it with MediaTek chipset. So this is a Snapdragon 425 quad-core chipset, 1440 by 720p resolution. So that's a Tecno Camon i-Twin, and this device retails for 11,499. That's 11,500 rupees. So this will be available offline. So this is not an online only device. This will be offline only, and we're going to do the unboxing, and this is a made for India product, and let's see what all it offers. So just taking this device out, you can see the Tecno Camon i-Twin on the top. So let's just peel off the stickers and the back as well. So that's a Tecno Camon i with a dual camera. So it has a 13 megapixel rear camera and a secondary 2 megapixel camera for depth sensing. We have a quad LED flash included, and the fingerprint scanner, the Tecno branding, and the power and volume keys are on the right side. The left side houses the SIM tray. So let's just take the SIM tray out, and we'll just see the option. So there you go. It has a dedicated SD card slot along with a dual SIM card, so that's quite good. So 2 SIM card slots and a dedicated SD card slot is included. That's pretty good. Now let's see the other options. So top panel does not have any openings or slots. The bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot, 3.5mm audio jack, as well as the speaker unit. So on the front panel you get the 13 megapixel camera and 6-inch HD plus resolution display. So let's boot this device. In the meantime, let's see what all comes inside the box. So let's just take this out. So here we have the Tecno's 12 plus 1 month warranty offer, and the user manual is included. You also have a quite good quality TPU case included, so that's included with the box pack. Now we also get an earphone included. That's pretty good. The quality of the earphone looks pretty good. So let's just take this out. You can see that the ear tips are quite good in terms of the quality offered, so that's pretty good. Now let's see what else comes inside. So we have this standard cable, USB cable, micro USB cable, and finally we have the adapter. So this voltage rating is 5 volt 2 ampere. So that's all inside the box. Now let's boot this device. So that's the Tecno Camon i-Twin, and we have the iOS. That's the software running on Tecno devices. So let's just go to the settings, and here you can see some additional options as well. Micro intelligence, we have a double click to broadcast, music gestures, one-handed mode, 3-finger screenshot. So some options are included. There is support for themes as well. So it runs on Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box, and we have 3GB RAM and 32GB storage being offered. So storage, let's go and see. You can see that in the first boot we have 1.8GB RAM available out of the 3GB, and total storage available is 23.29GB. You can also expand the storage via the dedicated SD card slot available. Now looking at the camera, so that's the highlight of this device. It comes with a dual camera, and this also has a 13 megapixel selfie camera included. So this the camera interface looks quite simple and similar to a lot of other smartphones. So we have a photo mode, we have this beauty mode as well, and let's go to the video recording as well. So 1080p resolution is the maximum supported. So let's have a look at some of the samples we have taken with this device. So these are some of the samples we have taken with the Tecno Camon i-Twin after unboxing the device. The device also comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery that should be quite good enough for more than a day of usage easily, and this has Snapdragon 425 quad-core chipset, so expect a quite a decent performance all round. So the device is priced 11,500 rupees in India, to be precise 11,499 is the pricing, and this will be available in retail stores and offline market. And this is the Tecno Camon iTwin, which is the latest offering from Tecno in India, and this has a dual camera setup. That's all guys with unboxing and hands-on with the Tecno Camon iTwin. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.